Hey, hi. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I think this is one of the simplest styles we're going to be seeing today. It's cute and easy, and definitely we're doing it live. Oh yes, so let's get into it. Grab onto your bandana. You can choose to first of all hold your hair towards the back if you have lots of hair, and if you do not have lots of hair, well and good, still the style for you. And then what you need is to pay attention to detail of some of the things that I'm going to be showing you in the video. Okay, so make sure you do watch to the very end. You can also like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming uploads. So basically I'm just using this random thing of mine that I normally wear here at the front to hold my hair so that it doesn't disturb me during the entire process. So my hair here like that. The next main thing I need to do is grab the bandana. Looking at the inner side, let it face towards the front, or you can just place it on a flat surface, okay? And then you take one of the sides and then drop it up to somewhere like that, not all the way down. Well, if you have lots of hair, you can always increase the sides to be that way. If you have less hair, up to that point, it's okay. You bulb, you can always let it goes all the way to the bottom. So in this case, I think I know lots of hair a little bit. So I'm going to place it up to that point. Okay? So the next thing is to place it onto your head. You're going to place it like that. The inner side, which is smaller, should be right into your hair like that. And then you need to make sure that you be checking the socials that is on Instagram as mx__Marine and also on TikTok as ms__Marine. Let's comment down below, tell me what you think about this style. So the next thing you do is hold this side like that, and then this other side like that, and then you see I want these things to be inside. This is what I was telling you, pay attention to detail, okay, like this, and then so that you can now make that fold at the back. So that way, it's small. Let me increase the size to that. And then that. And then we can hold it and then make that knot at the back that way. You can just pull it towards the front if you have a forehead like me. If you do not, well, and go at that point, and then you have something like that. Amazing, right? The next thing you do is just the releasing, the letting loose of your hair. So that way. And then this one, let me just confirm our inspo from our inspo. Being seen that way. Okay, nice and amazing. Okay, I'm loving it. I love it. I love the outcome. So check in the description. Oh my god, it looks good. Damn, looks gorgeous. Check in the description for more videos. Remember, this is also a series that you're doing I call it the random series. So we're doing a couple more, so make sure you check out. Make sure you do subscribe so that you do not miss out. I love it. I love it. I love it. Click right here. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me, do you also love it? Okay. So dropping the hair down is also a thing at the front. I forgot to tell you that. So this is for the one who watched to the end. So you drop some hair there at the front. Akina Kabuzuri. It looks good. See you on the next one.